Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Ordering at a casual restaurant.
Hi, can we get a table for two, please?
Of course, right this way. Here are your menus.
Thanks. I'll start with the Caesar salad as an appetizer, and for the main course, I'd like the grilled chicken with roasted vegetables.
Excellent choice. And for you, Mom?
I'll have the tomato basil soup to start and the seafood pasta for the main course, please.
Very well. How would you like your pasta cooked?
I prefer it al dente, please.
Noted. Anything to drink? We have a variety of soft drinks, fresh juices, and a selection of wines.
I'll have a glass of red wine, please.
I'll go with a sparkling water.
Perfect. I'll get your orders placed, and your drinks will be right out. Enjoy your meal.
Scenario 2. Fine dining experience.
Good evening. Welcome to La Cuisine. May I take your coat?
Thank you. We have a reservation under the name Smith.
Excellent. Right this way. Here are your menus. Our chef's specials tonight include a seared salmon with a lemon caper sauce and a filet mignon with truffle mashed potatoes.
Both sound delightful. We'll start with the truffle oil and Parmesan flatbread as an appetizer.
Wonderful choice. And for the main course,
I'll have the seared salmon, and my partner will go for the filet mignon, both cooked medium rare.
great. Our sommelier recommends a Pinot Noir that pairs well with both dishes. Would you like to give it a try?
Sounds perfect.
Excellent. I'll get your orders placed, and your wine will be served shortly. Enjoy your evening.
Scenario 3. Ordering takeout.
Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Sure, what items would you like to order?
I'll have the chicken tikka masala, garlic naan, and a side of vegetable biryani.
Great choices. Any specific spice level for the chicken tikka masala?
Medium spice, please. Also, can I add an order of vegetable samosas to that?
Of course. Anything else?
A mango lassi to drink, please.
Got it. Can I have your address for delivery?
Sure. It's 123 Main Street. How long will it take?
Your order will be ready in about 30 minutes, and delivery will take an additional 15-20 minutes. Is that okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.